In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google Meet account in just 5 minutes. If you've decided that it's time to part ways with Google Meet, perhaps due to privacy concerns or simply no longer having the need for the service, this straightforward guide will walk you through the process. So let's get started and ensure you can easily follow along. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Meet website. This is your starting point and you'll need to be logged into the Google account associated with the Meet service you wish to deactivate. Once you're on the page, look for your account icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen, and click on it. This will give you the option to manage your account, which is where the magic begins. Next, you'll see a menu with the option to manage your Google account. Go ahead and click on that link. This step takes you directly into the core of your account settings, where Google stores all your personal and usage data. It might be overwhelming at first due to the array of options you see, but don't worry. Our focus remains singular. On the left side of your account management page, you'll see various tabs such as personal info, data and privacy, security, and more. You need to select data and privacy. This section is important because it houses all your data related preferences, which include options for managing and even deleting your data if necessary. While you're here, take some time to review any data you might want to back up. Now, to proceed with deleting your Google Meet account, scroll down until you find the section titled Delete Your Google Account. Clicking this will bring you to a page with all the necessary information about what deleting your account entails. It's crucial to read this carefully as the action is irreversible. Deleting your account will not only affect Google Meet but also any other services linked to this account, so ensure you understand the implications. If you're certain about your decision, you'll likely be prompted to verify your identity again by entering your password or authentication method. This is a security measure Google takes to ensure that only the account owner can make such substantial changes. Follow the on-screen instructions, and once verified, you'll be given final options to confirm the deletion. After completing these steps, your Google account, along with the Google Meet service linked to it, will be permanently deleted. Don't forget to log out and clear any saved passwords on devices you no longer wish to use with Google services. Thank you for following along. Hopefully you found this guide helpful in deleting your Google Meet account. If you have further questions or need assistance with anything else, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment below. Goodbye and good luck.